second graders. I want to make sure you understand how to do these slides with our synonym matchup today. If I read the directions up here, you're going to see that we're going to drag these green boxes over next to the yellow boxes that will have their synonym. You've already watched the video, so you understand what synonym means. So you'll click on the box. In order to move it, of course, you need that cross. Let's say this matches up. We'll just move it right next to it. Again, I see my cross before I start moving. Let's say this one matches up. Just like at school, you know it's very unlikely that I am matching anything up correctly. I'm just showing you how to do the movement. After you do the first page, you'll go on to the second page. This looks a little different. It says, still a synonym matchup, but we have to read the sentence and we're going to look at the underlined word. We're going to drag these red boxes over by the sentences with the underlined word. It matches. So I read the first sentence. I think, oh, yes, I know what that means. Ah, it's this one. Of course, it's not. And then I look at this one and I think, oh, yes. So I'm going to read and I'm going to get them all matched up. Of course, things don't have to look absolutely perfect. And then what you're going to do is you're going to kind of close out of it. Once you close out of it, then you click your view assignment button. And once you've viewed your assignment, up in the corner, you'll see that turn in. And it will show me how each and every one of you matched up these slides. So a little bit different in how we turn this in today. But once you've got them moved, leave them there, back out of it and close out of it, and then you'll have to do your blue turn in or submit in order for me to see. All righty, second graders, good luck.